Hey folks, it's Russ. Today's Thursday, May 22nd, 2025. I hope you're having a great day. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about entitlement and how it's blocking your success and how to break free from it. But before I get started, if you've never seen any of my videos, welcome to the channel. I've been involved in the work from home space for the last 18 plus years. I've been fortunate enough to be working full-time for myself since 2018. And it's my true passion to help other people generate mailbox money using social media and direct mail marketing. It's my true passion. I eat, sleep, and breathe this, and I love everything about it. So with that being said, sometimes I like to do, a little tough love video here and there. And today's one of those videos. And, when I say tough love, I mean, it's stuff that people, they don't really like to hear, but they know deep in their subconscious that it's true. And that is entitlement, okay? It's the enemy of your achievement. You're not going to be successful if you feel entitled to everything, right? So the real message here is that the world owes you nothing. Not success, not happiness, not respect, zero, right? Your loved ones, they don't owe you anything. Nobody owes you anything. So what gets me thinking is, why do so many people, especially in the marketing, the network marketing, work from home space, think that just because they join a program and mail out 100 postcards that they deserve commissions, that they deserve success? Most people join a program and they think that they're just going to get spillover, and they think they're just going to have success overnight by taking zero action. And that's just not the case, right? That's not the case. You can't expect to earn something without putting in the work. And I see it so much. It's, people write to me all the time. I mailed out this many postcards. I made 2 YouTube videos. I haven't had a sale yet. It's like, what do you expect? For me, and I'm just being upfront and honest with you, I get so many people that send me messages. They want me to join them in whatever it is that whatever shiny object it is that they're promoting, right? And 99.9% of the people that send me those messages, I would never, you couldn't pay me to join those people. It's not because they're not good people. A lot of them are my friends. But I know for a fact that the majority of them take zero action. Why would I want to join somebody who thinks that they're just going to get people under them without doing any work, by just sending messages? Oh, join me, join me. I'll get tons of spillover for you. And then I see they don't even take action themselves. And then they're on to the next program. 2-3 weeks go by and they're sending me a message about another program. Join me, join me. Why would I join somebody like that? Why would you want to join somebody like that? When I look to join a program, I look for several things. I look for an owner or an admin that's transparent, that I can get in touch with, not because I need help from them. I just want to know that they're there. And I do my due diligence. I want to make sure that the opportunity is not going to become a rug pull. All right. And, a month or 2 or 3 goes by and then the rug's pulled out from all of us. Right. I want to make sure that either the opportunity has been around for a long time or the owner and admin has been around for a long time. And I'm going to join somebody who takes action. Not because I'm looking to get spillover. I could care less about spillover. I create spillover. I'm not a spillover. I don't need spillover. I'm a spillover creator, right? And I'm not saying that to be like, oh, I'm better than everybody. I'm not. I take action. But I want to join somebody who takes action. I want to join somebody who is in the trenches every day, hustling and grinding and putting in the work to get the results that they get, right? I don't want to work with tire kickers ever, and I don't want to work with people who write to me and say, oh, I made 2 YouTube videos and I sent out 1,000 postcards and I haven't made any sales yet. and I've only been in this for 2 weeks. What do you expect? What do you expect? Especially if you're just starting out. If you're just starting out, listen, it could take you 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months. It could take you a year before you start getting results. Right? It took me, I was jumping from program to program for the first 10 or 11 years of my marketing. You know, and I would make a little money here and there, just enough to keep me going. But I was always jumping from program to program to program to program. Always. And it wasn't until I stopped jumping around and I started focusing on one opportunity where I started to get anywhere. And then finally I focused on one program enough. I started to make, enough money to cover my bills. And then I added another income stream and I built that one up. And then I was finally able to quit that and start working for myself. But it takes time. You have to be patient. And you have to lose the entitlement. You know, you have to lose that because that is what is holding you back. It's the true enemy of achievement. Thinking that you deserve success without putting in any work or with putting in very minimal work. You can't do that. You have to show up every single day. You want to become a leader. You want to show up and not just talk the talk, but walk the walk every day. Practice what you preach. I practice what I preach. People know me that I show up every single day, whether I want to or not. And like I told you, I'm always going to be here for you guys. All of you. I appreciate each and every one of you. I want you to be successful, but you have to show up every day. Every day, whether you want to or not. Like I always talk about Kobe Bryant. He was notorious. He would go on family vacations and he would go and work out every single day. He would practice. The only time he wasn't practicing is when he couldn't walk. And that's what you have to do. You have to get into the right mindset. And instead of saying I deserve, you tell yourself I build. I am building my empire. And I know that every single day when I show up and take action and I create content and I provide value to those who listen to me or watch my videos, I know that I'm building my empire. Not I go and I make a video, I deserve to get a sale. I didn't get a sale. Why? It's not working. It's a scam. I'm going to quit. That's what losers do. That's what tire kickers do. Everybody has it in them to be successful. You just have to change your mindset from a losing mindset to a winning mindset. And understand that direct mail takes time. Just like any great business, it takes time to build. Just like I talk about Amazon sometimes. It took them over a decade, almost 2 decades before they became profitable. You know? So, that's just how it works, you know? And you have to have gratitude, you have to take action, and you have to have the winning mindset. You know, if you don't have any of that, you might as well just throw in the towel. You might as well just throw in the towel. But anyway, I hope you found value in my video. If you did, please consider giving me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click that notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload a new video. And if you're serious about taking action and starting to make money from home, then put down in the comments, no more excuses. Let me know that you're serious, all right? I love hearing from winners, you know? Tire kickers need not apply. When you're ready to change your mindset, come talk to me. All right? But if you're just jumping from program to program, don't waste my time or anybody else's. So, and I'm not saying that to be, despiteful or anything like that. I appreciate everyone, but I'm just telling you, success takes time. And you have to be willing to show up every day, take massive action, and stay consistent. That's what gets results. You can do it. Put down in the comment, no more excuses. Start taking action today. All right, let me know. I'm here for you. I want you to win. So with that being said, I appreciate each and every one of you. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching. Have a great rest of your day.